Guys, Hugo Cleaning Depot. Let me show you a unit that I'm going to be working on. So, got a Prochem Legend, older one. This is the original ones, but it is nasty. So a lot of people don't see a lot of this wear, oil leaks, water leaks. Check this out. This pump's not even on. You know, a lot of things that you can't see when they're inside the van. You know, whoever did this repair back in the day didn't use a correct gasket, and all these marine hoses start drying up, and the exhaust has leaks on it, and then that's when people say, oh, I don't have enough heat, or why is my truck mount so loud? You know, this gasket blew out, and a lot of oil leaks, you know. Here's the drain hose for the oil. We got to do all the seals on it, front main, rear main, tune up on it. And that's what we do here. We got to bring these things back to life to make another million. So keep up with them, guys. You know, do an inspection, have the guys wipe them down, clean your wastings, and then just regular services. Or else it'll accumulate, and then it will end up having to get pulled out of the van and then be out, I don't know, this one's probably gonna be out 2 weeks until we're done with it. But have a good one, guys.